everybody, it's Haley from Two Chicks. I hope that you're all doing well, staying home and being safe. I thought that since we're all probably cooking a lot, I would show you a quick way to make Two Chicks Hollandaise. Okay, here's your ingredients. You have 3 egg yolks. We have 10 tablespoons of butter, salted or unsalted. If you use the salted kind, you're just gonna wanna be careful later when you add salt. Lemon juice, fresh preferred, but I don't have any, so here we go. Salt, cayenne pepper, and a blender of some type. Okay, so I switched to an immersion blender because that just made more sense. That big old Ninja was not cutting it. So you're gonna wanna put the egg yolks in there and then blend them until they kind of start to look a little bit fluffy. So just blend those for a little while. Melt your butter. I don't care how you melt your butter. You can do it in the microwave, you can do it on the stovetop. I will not judge you. Get it all melted. I only have one hand, so I can't film and do this at the same time. So pretend with me, shall we? Pretend this thing is blending. Pour the butter in slowly. Blend it. Blend that butter and that egg yolk together. What you're doing is you're making Hollandaise sauce. That's right. Tablespoon lemon juice. Add about 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, or more or less to taste. Part about salt. If you didn't have salt in your butter, add about a teaspoon of salt now, or salt to taste. Some people like it more salty. You do you, boo. Shake it on in there. Blend, 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 blend. Ooh, this one looks like it's gonna be spicy. It looks like Hollandaise sauce. That is damn good Hollandaise. If you want to keep this and use it later, you absolutely can, but you cannot reheat it in the microwave or on the stovetop, like in a pan or anything like that. You can do a double boiler, but you're gonna wanna whisk it the entire time to keep it from scrambling. So that's it, peeps. That's my Two Chicks Hollandaise tutorial. I hope that you are all staying safe and sane out there. Take care of yourselves and each other.